And here comes Winthrop.
Quick Winthrop, quick.
Third place finisher.
Morning all, just across the street from Travelers here. This is where the Negril Running Club actually meets every morning to start our runs. Usually about 5:30, we take Sundays off. I have 3 athletes who are training for a marathon next week, the Kingston City Marathon. I wish I was running, but unfortunately I'm injured, so trying to get healthy as soon as humanly possible. But they're on a 60-minute easy run. They should be back any minute now. They left about, I want to say, 50-something minutes or so ago. But today's video is not about that. It's actually about the last marathon that I did, which was Reggae Marathon here in Negril. And just put together a little highlight film. It's short and sweet. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Definitely helps out a bunch. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys later.